A backlog of criminal and civil cases on the rise, along with the recent COVID surge here in the Coulee region. News 19's Joe Minnie joins us now. And Joe, what's the status of courts in the county?
Well, thanks, Dustin. Right now, the courts are on a pause as several offices in La Crosse County's courthouse are understaffed. Speaking with District Attorney Tim Granke and Judge Ramona Gonzalez, the backlog of cases keeps building as defendants, attorneys, court reporters, and even the jail system deals with the Omicron variant.
We're trying to do the best we can to, all pitch in and try to do things as efficiently as we can and do things virtually, working from home, doing things by phone, doing things outside the courtroom. But there are some cases that just have to have a trial, and unfortunately, there's still some of them that are still waiting.
When you balance somebody's right to be present in the courtroom, as they're entitled to during sentencing, and health and safety of all involved, it is a delicate thing. But a lot of my colleagues across the country are doing it so that it's the judge and the defendant in the courtroom, and everybody else is on video.
One positive in this pandemic is the addition of the virtual capability.
Going forward, we've become more technologically efficient and comfortable. And so I think there's going to be more times when we'll be able to use Zoom or some virtual technology so that more people can participate in court than before.
I've done hearings when people are on break from work, when people are on their lunch hours from work. I've done a divorce where the person was working a road crew in the middle of the street, and her boss said, sure, you can take your break. And so she did her divorce from the side of the road with her little stop sign.
Unfortunately, no amount of technology can replace the courtroom environment, like standing in front of a jury of peers.
There's certain things that we can't do virtually. People are just going to be patient and realize we're doing the best we can, but there might be a delay to the process.
In this county, you have 5 committed judges who have understood from the very beginning that COVID or no COVID, justice has to be dispensed, and that we have to do it to the best of our abilities while maintaining safety for all.
Now, Judge Gonzalez says there are defendants awaiting trials because of a shortage of public defenders, too. The county has made over 1,100 contacts to find a public defender just for one person in custody, and there are several others waiting for lawyer representation. And Dustin, because criminal trials are delayed, it pushes back civil cases even further as defendants in custody take precedent.
All right, thank you, Joe. And you may recall just last week, sentencing for the man convicted of a 2019 shooting death was delayed because Shavante Thompson himself tested positive for COVID-19.